Okay, so I was literally about to leave, but I remembered that I was gonna do my little merch apparel review. I was honestly not gonna open it, but VistaPrint, the website where I bought it from, wanted to know how uh, satisfied was I with my products. So I'm gonna give them an honest review. What I'm going for is high quality. So hopefully I was able to get that from them, and if not, I'm gonna have to switch to a different company, and hopefully I get what I want. The prices weren't really too bad. I was able to design whatever I wanted on the shirt. So these were my designs. Ta-das. So this is that hat. It's a nice little hat. Yeah, let's start off with this one. Hopefully it's good, man. Have to wear the gloves. Okay, not bad. It's like any normal hat. Auto fix mobile. And able to tighten it up if I need to. Just like any other hat. I like it. No complaints on this one. I wish this were a little bit more, had more color to it. I don't know. What do y'all think? So there's that. Put that right there. Keep the packaging. Let's open up this one. This is the white version. I actually like the white one. See now the A, see it's more colored in. The other one's kind of like washed up. Okay. The same as that other hat. Adjustable. Put that to the side. Let's open up this one. This is my little logo right here, the little fancy A that I created. Just like my YouTube channel. Looks like a shark. I did not copy Gymshark. Alright, this is handmade. I actually made this with my iPad. The little draw. It's one of the drawing apps. And I literally drew this A. I drew so many A's, but I was looking for the perfect one, and this one just stuck to me. And yeah, this was actually handmade, so Gymshark can't tell me shit. Now for the shirts, oh man, I'm gonna have to take off my gloves for this because I want to feel the quality of the cotton and whatever. Yeah, let's open up the. This is the girl shirt. Could have been a little bit better, honestly, but oh, this is really small. What size is this? It's a small, duh. But this is really small. Could be a little bit bigger. And this is the back. I feel like this will shrink and lose. I don't know. I just feel like this is low quality. I wonder if they have any better quality shirts, and it's Fruit of the Loom. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the shirts so far. My logo again. And then for the guys, it's just literally autofix mobile on the front and back. This is medium. Actually, this one's, I would actually wear this at the house. Something comfortable, and it's big. Again, the quality, I don't know. I'm not impressed with the quality of the shirts. Now, let's for the black one. I drew all of these out on my tablet before I started actually making shirts out of it. I like this one. This one I would wear for sure. This is a medium. I think small would fit me. Autofix mobile. I like the black one a lot. It feels a lot better than the white one for some reason. This one feels a little bit more rough. This one's more soft. I actually like the way this one feels. Size medium. Medium for sure. Definitely wear. But yeah, that's... I like the hats a lot more. I'm actually happy with the hats. Yep, that's it. I like the hats. Black shirt, I like the way it feels. I'm not satisfied with the white ones. Oh, I also got... almost left this behind. I actually also got me some business cards. This one I actually bought. This case holds like maybe 25 cards. But I got me these little business cards too. I went with the glossy PVC finish. And the thickness is about like a credit card. I just wanted something different. There's my little logo. You can see. I just wanted something different. Wasn't too much of a fan of the paper business cards, the usual paper business cards. I wanted something different, something that stands out. So that's why I went with these, and it's just so much. Honestly, I love these. If someone gave me a business card and I thought it was really nice looking, I would definitely not throw it away. So yeah, went with these. They actually gave me 5 extra, which was nice of them. Maybe because some of them were a bit discolored or something like that, but they gave me 5. Also ordered me a pen with the autofix obviously printed in, and some stickers. Stickers, literally just stickers of my logo. Also bought me that. Price was actually pretty good. There was a discount code for the first buy. So the hats I recommend. Black shirts I also recommend. White shirts I do not recommend. Maybe get your white shirts from a different website or company that will make them for you. Debit card, I mean not the debit cards, but the business cards for sure. Definitely be visiting VistaPrint still for this merch. But you know, honestly, this was for fun. Honestly, because I was just curious, and I honestly did wanted to start my own little merch apparel store for my YouTube channel. I don't know if anyone will buy, but I just went ahead and did it anyways, because this is something that I really found exciting and fun to do. So let me know if, I don't know, if you guys would like one. Go ahead and ship it to you guys. I'll probably have to start my own little Shopify account. That's the design, and see how that works, because I honestly do not know. Never done this before. First time. So first design, first merch. I'm happy with it. Except for the white shirts. I don't know. I do not like